Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe for you, honey mustard baked salmon. The ingredients you'll need for this delicious dish: fresh salmon fillets, a quarter cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Optional garnish, fresh dill or parsley. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, in a small bowl, we'll create our glaze. Combine a quarter cup of honey with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Give it a good stir until the honey and mustard are well combined. Now, season your salmon fillets with salt and pepper to taste. Using a brush or spoon, generously coat the salmon fillets with the honey mustard glaze. Make sure each fillet is thoroughly covered for that irresistible flavor. Now, pop your glazed salmon into the preheated oven. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and easily flakes with a fork. And just like that, our honey mustard baked salmon is ready. Transfer the salmon to a serving platter, and if you'd like, garnish with some fresh dill or parsley for an added touch of freshness. Voila! Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Until next time, happy cooking!